Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, has faced another public backlash, this time courtesy of late-night host Jimmy Fallon. During a recent episode of The Tonight Show, Fallon delivered a scathing critique of Meghan's Netflix cooking show, labeling it a total waste and drawing laughter from the studio audience. Fallon's comedic takedown, while delivered with his signature lighthearted humor, struck a nerve with many viewers. Meghan's foray into the culinary world with her Netflix series, Archewell Audio, was met with mixed reviews from the outset. Critics panned the show for its perceived pretentiousness, lack of genuine culinary expertise, and what some deemed an excessive focus on the Sussexes' opulent lifestyle. Fallon's commentary, however, added a new layer of scrutiny. He reportedly joked about the show's lack of substance, implying that it was more about showcasing the couple's lavish kitchen and their carefully curated image than it was about sharing genuine culinary passion or expertise. He reportedly quipped, "It's like watching someone try to make a soufflé while wearing a diamond tiara," a line that elicited raucous laughter from the audience. This public roasting by a prominent figure like Fallon has reignited the ongoing debates surrounding the Sussexes and their post-royal life. Critics argue that their various ventures, from podcasts and documentaries to children's books and wellness initiatives, are more about self-promotion and capitalizing on their royal connections than they are about making a genuine contribution to society. Meghan, in particular, has faced intense scrutiny for her public pronouncements on issues ranging from mental health and racial justice to women's rights and environmentalism. While some applaud her efforts to use her platform for advocacy, others argue that her pronouncements are often superficial, lacking in depth, and more about projecting a certain image than affecting real change. The backlash against Meghan's cooking show is just the latest in a series of controversies that have plagued the Sussexes since their departure from royal life. Critics argue that their actions often appear self-serving and inconsistent, undermining their credibility and eroding public sympathy. While it's important to acknowledge that the Sussexes are entitled to pursue their own interests and build a life outside the royal family, their actions have raised questions about their motivations and their commitment to the causes they espouse. Fallon's comedic takedown, while delivered with humor, may have inadvertently struck a chord with a public increasingly weary of the Sussexes' public pronouncements and their pursuit of fame and fortune. It remains to be seen how the couple will respond to this latest criticism and whether they will be able to regain public trust and credibility.